Look at this. This is not bonding. I don't know what is. Her food tray used to be on the other side, to the left. But what she would do was she would take well, not a bite. She would pick a sunflower seed, and then she would move to the right and start chewing or eating it there. I think it's because she wanted to be close to Wallum, so they could eat at the same time or something. So, but yeah, she used to do that. So then I moved her tray to where it's at now, where it's kind of close to right next to Wallum. So I guess this is what they wanted to do. She was trying to bond with him, I guess. Hopefully, it looks like it's working though. Hopefully they, bond more and be friends before I make them move into one cage. Eventually, I'll have them in the same cage, but it's all up to Wallum, I guess. Like I said, his progress it's very slowly. But I have time. I'm not in a hurry. So eventually, I guess, they're at least somewhat bonding and getting closer. I mean, she can't get into his cage yet because I won't let her, but this is as close as she can get. She can get, for now at least.